Good morning, everyone.
Mama.
Yay, good job. Now do it off. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another vlog. So it is day 12 of Ramadan, if I'm not mistaken. I think so. Yesterday was my food shopping haul, but today is going to be a vlog. So yay! I have Elisa and Isa sitting at the table right here. We've got this little table out. Isa's watching his crap on the iPad, and Elisa is doing some nursery work, and she drew a house and a wolf and the 3 piggies. So that is her nursery work for today. But that's what's going on so far. I've edited and uploaded a video already today. And yes, we're just having a little bit of time to do some nursery work.
The wolf and the goat piggy is snatching the baby.
Oh no. But we're still on like the first task of the nursery work, and it's just taking forever to do because Elisa just keeps getting bored and running away and lying on the floor and rolling around and jumping on me and goes to watch the iPad and things like that. So I'm trying to get it all done, but it's hard work. Let me tell you that now. So anyway, gonna get back to it. So the kids are having lunch. Elisa is having some leftover pasta from yesterday, a cheese toasty, lots of fruit. Is that yummy? So while the kids are having their lunch, I'm just sitting here replying to loads of comments, as many as I can, because you don't understand how bad I feel because I can't reply to every single comment that I get. Once I've edited a video, can you imagine how long that takes? Like a couple of hours at least. And then I have to upload it, do the thumbnail, all that kind of thing. And then it's just, I've been on the laptop for so long, and obviously my kids need me. I'm just spending too long on the laptop or on my phone. So I kind of try and prioritize the things that I do. And replying to comments is something that I try to do as much as possible, but I can't do all of them because I get so many comments now, especially because I'm uploading every single day. So I get like 20 comments or something on each video. And what are you doing? And obviously if I'm replying to every single one of those, I'm going to be spending like an hour on my phone or something. So I can't really reply to everything. So I just wanted to tell you that I'm sorry if you don't get a reply to your comments, but I do try my best. I'm sorry. And also on Instagram as well, if you message me on there, like I have like 20 unread messages and then like loads of requests for messages, and I'm so sorry if I haven't replied to you, but I do, like, if I read a message and I don't reply to it, I put it as unread so that I can reply to it when I do have a little bit more time, because when I open it I don't have the time. But anyway, I just thought I would clear that up because I'm so sorry if you feel offended that I don't reply to you. I do try. And what do you think you're doing there? So I've just cleaned up downstairs, hoovered, cleaned the kitchen, cleaned the living room, extension room, all that, put some clothes out, washed up. Oh my gosh, it's just been busy, busy, busy. But now I've come upstairs to do some cleaning upstairs and to pray. Lisa's here too. Lisa's downstairs watching some YouTube. But yeah, I don't know. I have presents and stuff which are just hanging around, and I don't know where to put them. Like, I just don't know. I don't have wrapping paper either, so I can't even wrap them up. I think I've got a bit of wrapping paper downstairs, but it won't be enough for all of the presents. So I've been cleaning, prayed. Isa's just been jumping around the bed, and I need to hoover the floor because I just sorted out the box. I know, a bit late, but you know the e-party box? And look at the floor. It had all of these little stars in there. So I need to hoover the floor. I'm gonna go have some food downstairs. isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you guys, watermelon. This watermelon was so big. I've learnt my lesson. I'm never buying a big watermelon again because it is a headache. My lips, oh my god, I was literally cooking and I like moved my mouth and then my lips cracked and it was painful. It felt like someone stabbed me in the mouth or something. I don't know. My lips, I haven't been putting anything on my lips because I just feel like when I'm fasting I don't want stuff to go in my mouth, but I had to because it just took its toll on my lips today, so I had to put something on. Anyway, all this watermelon, look how much there is. I started taking the seeds out and then I was like, forget this, I cannot be bothered to do this. I've prepared my iftar, that's in the fridge. I'm having chicken burgers. I'm testing out some new recipes which I will be sharing with you because I do have a kebab recipe, a meat kebab recipe, but the one that I use, I'm not allowed to share it because it's not my recipe. I'm going to be making up some other kind of recipes that I will share with you guys if I know they're nice. So I'm hoping that this mix that I've done now, I've literally added onions, chicken. Oh my god, did you see how my blender minced those chicken breasts? That was just, it just shocked me because it's so good. Anyway, basically used my blender for everything I did today. I made watermelon juice out of it, which I made into ice lollies for the kids. These ones are right here, but I've just put them in so they're not frozen yet. And that was from the watermelon that was sitting in the fridge. It looked like it had gone like a day past when you'd be happy to eat it, if you know what I mean. So I just blended that up, sieved out all the little bits that were left, and then I poured it into the molds. So, and the kids love these watermelon ice lollies that I make. My kids eat a lot of ice lollies, if you haven't already guessed by my hauls and stuff. But anyway, I really don't know what to do with the rest of this watermelon. I'm really tempted to go drive to my sister's house and drop it off there because I know that she loves watermelon and she's fasting, and you know, it's just nice to do that, isn't it? So I might just do that. So I have this full of watermelon for us, and then this is full of watermelon which I'm going to send to my sister's house. I don't know if I'm going to take it or if I'll get the husband to take it, but it's all ready to go now, so it's all good. I'm going to put my one in the fridge and then I'm going to leave this out ready to be taken. So that's what I'm going to do. The kids are upstairs right now about to have a bath. The dad's running their bath. It is 10 to 7. I'm sorry, this vlog has been a bit boring. All the berries that I bought yesterday, I put them in one of these trays, and look how lovely these berries are. I got these from M&S and they were reduced, just these and the raspberries, but look how beautiful they are. Like, I don't think I've ever bought berries that are in date and are this good, but look how nice they are. Oh my god, I love M&S berries, they're so good. And then those ones, the strawberries are from Aldi, that's why they look a bit meh. Aldi strawberries never ever last. But that's my little tray so I can reach for some delicious fruits later. So it is now time to prepare my iftar, and I'm having chicken burgers, which is this, and then I've got this to go in it. I've made some jalapeno mint yogurt, which is literally just jalapenos and yogurt, some salt and some mint, and then I'm gonna also put a bit of hummus on there. So let's do this. So that is all done. My ones are in the oven. I like to have mine grilled, and then my husband likes to have his fried, so he's going to be having his fried. I'm going to do that in about 5 to 10 minutes because it literally takes like 10 minutes. It's 20 past now. I'm sure it's like 1:45. Opening fast today anyway, so we've got loads of time, but I find that the ones that you do in the grill take longer, so I've put mine in now. I'm just gonna get some fruit ready, some watermelon and some berries ready for iftar, so let's do that. I also want a mojito. I bought this the other day from Aldi and it's lemon and mint, so basically it's a mojito anyway, but I'm gonna make mine extra strong and extra minty. So I've got a lime that looks like it's going off. I'm going to roll this and squeeze it into my blender, and then I'm going to blend it with ice. That can be done literally 2 minutes before we eat, so it's okay. That is ready for the ice and to be blended in a minute. So now I'm going to be checking on my kebabs. What they're going to do. So they've gone back in. Now I'm going to just sort things out. I've still got about 10 minutes left anyway, so yeah. I just read on my Alexa 15 McDonald's are going to open their drive-thrus. How interesting. I wonder if that's in Birmingham. What do you guys think about McDonald's reopening and places just opening up again? Like, I don't really see the big issue with it because there's already so many food places that have been open and been delivering all this time, so I don't really see the big issue with McDonald's opening. I think I just discovered a new way to make mojito. It smells so good. That is my new favourite recipe. 1 lime, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, mint as much as you like, and then this. Blend it all together. So good, guys. I didn't forget that I was fasting. It's time to eat now, so that's why I was tasting it. I'm gonna go and enjoy my food, but thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!